Sa larangan ng boxing, ang mga Pinoy ay isa talaga sa kinatatakutan sa buong mundo maliban sa 8th Division World Champion na si Manny Pacquiao. Marami pang mga Pinoy na naging World Champion. Kahit sa sobrang underdog sa laban at binili lang na pampataba sa kanilang champion, ngunit pwede itong pabagsakin ng Pinoy mismo sa kanilang balwarte. Katulad na lang nitong isang 20 years old na Pinoy ang tubong silay sa Negros Occidental na si Eric Hamili, kung saan sa hindi inaasahan bigla na lang itong naging world champion. Si Eric Hamili mga tol ay bunsong kapatid ng magaling na Pinoy boxer, ang former world title challenger na si Renanti Hamili na nagmula sa Elorde Stable sa Parañaque City. Matapos nakaipon ng 10 panalo dito sa Pilipinas itong si Eric Hamili at naging WBO Intercontinental Minimum Weight Champion nang pinabagsak nito sa loob lang ng round 1 ang kilabot na Thai boxer na si Inthanon Pichbandinan sa laban na naganap sa Parañaque City. Dahil binakante ng Mexican superstar na si Ricardo Lopez na may 51 wins, walang talo at 38 knockouts ang hawak nitong WBO World Minimum Weight title, nabigyan ng pagkakataon si Hamili mga tol para sa world title fight kung saan makakaharap nito ang top contender, ang European champion na si Mikey Cantwell na may 13 wins at 10 knockouts sa kanyang kartada ng London. Ang pagkakataong ito mga tol ay matapang na tinanggap ng batang Pinoy. Lumipad ang kampo ni Hamili sa London upang harapin itong hometown boxer na si Cantwell mismo sa balwarte nito sa United Kingdom. Hindi ito basta-bastang kalaban si Cantwell mga tol dahil maliban sa ito ay British champion. Nasa balwarte pa nito ginanap ang laban, kaya lumalabas na sobrang underdog ang ating pambato sa kanilang bakbakan. Bago naganap ang kanilang laban mga tol, pinag-uusapan na ng mga Briton na mahina lang ang Pinoy at walang talent at lalamunin lang daw ito ng kanilang champion.
Unknown opponent, more or less, from the Philippines, fighting in Britain for the first time.
Yeah, a little bit of a dark horse. His record doesn't suggest that he's that good.
Halika mga tol, ating panoorin kung paano ginulat ng 20 years old na si Hamili ang buong Britanya at tinalo ang kanilang champion na si Cantwell. Ang Pinoy na si Hamili mga tol ay may 10 wins, 5 losses at may 5 knockouts versus Cantwell naman na may 13 wins, 2 losses at may 10 knockouts. Paglabanan nila ang bakanting WBO World Title na naganap sa London Arena. Sa mga gustong tumalpak mga tol, nirekomenda po ng inyong lingkod ang legit na betting site, ang 1xBet. May 6,000 bonus agad sa una nyong deposito. Nasa Pilipinas ka man o sa ibang bansa, napakadali lang mag-register. I-click nyo na lang ang link na nasa description at nakapin sa comment section. Gamitin nyo lang ang promo code na LPUNCH upang ma-avail nyo ang 6,000 bonus sa una nyong deposito. Dito pwede kang tumaya sa paborito mong sports gaya ng boxing, PBA, NBA, MPBL at marami pang sports. Dito sa 1xBet mga tol, may 6,000 bonus ka na, napakadali pang mag-withdraw. Pwede mong gamitin ang GCash, Paymaya, Crypto at dapat maging responsable lang po tayo sa pagbet. Sa pagbukas ng laban mga tol, si Hamili ang naka-southpaw stance at naka-red trunks habang si Cantwell naman ang naka-orthodox at naka-blue trunks.
Filipino WBO title against Coach Balvin on that the third.
He's just trying to see what kind of job.
Some punch, but work rate.
Yep, and fairly tall opponent he has too. This could already. The more solid, the more quality punches have come from the visitor. So looking kid, this one.
He's denying his record of 8 wins, 5 losses and a draw. He's making a spectacular start here against Cantwell.
Tuloy ang mainit na aksyon dito sa ikalawang round mga tol kung saan nagkaroon ng sugat ang mukha ni Cantwell mula sa suntok ni Kabayan.
Make up for that, so just don't be careless. You don't want to start training with a fellow before. He was fairly impressive.
Even light flyweight, we don't have an official British title there, but of course they do in the Philippines.
It's amazing. I remember more than 20 years ago they to give. Mickey's a great little buck. He was fairly impressive.
This strawweight, 7 stone 7, doesn't have a British title because there's so few fighters around. Even light flyweight, we don't have an official British title there, but of course they do in the Philippines.
It's amazing. I remember more than 20 years ago they to give Walter McGowan. Here, Cantwell up with that's a little cut appearing. Cantwell done a lot of pressing in this round.
No, I don't think there is a cut.
It's just maybe some blood that's come from Cantwell. See, this is not. This is fairly badly damaged too.
Sa round 3 mga tol, palaban talaga ang dalawang boxers kung saan lumalaki na ang sugat sa mukha ni Cantwell.
Good shot, good right hand there.
I mean, the way Cantwell nullifying Jamili's attacks here. He wants to keep doing that if possible. This is stopped here. So Jamili has good back.
Still plowing forward, still getting picked off.
See, Cantwell doesn't like doing anything reckless. He's a controlled little boxer, but obviously feels the injury. A little bit of panic in his boxing here. The coolness. He's like a real experienced champion. The way Mickey's boxing, it's not his normal style, and I wonder if his corner haven't told him he's going to have to do something drastic here.
Fourth round. So far, it's Jamili leading by a street.
Problem for Cantwell, he can't even
Better right.
trying to draw it. He's trying to force this fella into making some mistakes now.
There's been a real pressure that he's been able to put on.
Well, this is good, but he's actually nullified a lot of Jamili's work. He hasn't allowed Jamili.
Sa ikalimang round mga tol, gumaganda ang mga patama ng Briton na suportado ng kanyang mga fans.
Pressure, but again, it's stemmed. Jamili comes back with more of his own.
That uppercut's a difficult one to block. What's going on? Oh, Mickey wants this all right, doesn't he? He's really going for it here. That's the one that caused the damage in the first place and has worsened it as the fight's going on. Oh, Mickey wants this all right, doesn't he? He's really going for it here. Punching from Jamili. Mickey forcing and kind of cuffing a little bit.
Tape around the gloves of Jamili tells its own story. So.
Again, the nose. Looking as though it's got a little bit worse.
Heavy grease around the nose of Mickey Cantwell as he comes out for the 6th round.
If Mickey can just believe that his corner can keep him in there for the 12 rounds, then he can settle down. This now. He didn't miss that one.
Lovely right as he came in.
This is a better round for Cantwell so far.
Cantwell looking much more effective now, then on the side. This is more like it. Jamili needs to slow down a little.
Cantwell looking at him, he hasn't hassled him in the corner. So he better just get it in his mind that
Sa round 7 mga tol, umatake na ang Briton na gustong tapusin na si Kabayan, ngunit hindi natinag dito ang ating pambato. Mula sa atake ni Cantwell, bumagsak ang Pinoy na si Jamili pero hindi tinamaan ng suntok, ngunit binilangan ito ng referee.
unbelievable. But he's counted that as nonsense. That is a terrible piece of refereeing. I don't believe that. That has just cost little Jamili. Terrible piece of refereeing. I don't believe that. That has just cost little Jamili around and done big things for Mickey Cantwell. That one little incident gets Mickey Cantwell right back into the driving seat here.
And the fans at the back, who won't really have seen that it actually ran around the neck, and he swung him round.
That was a
There was a knockout.
terrible piece of refereeing.
Well, it may well have given him a point. Certainly a point he wouldn't have got anywhere else.
Exactly, so that's how the way things are going. It's looking like a 10-8 round for Mickey Cantwell.
And it's brought his supporters into it more, given him the confidence, and you can see it's disrupted the composure that...
Well, Jamili's work hasn't had the same quality about it in the last couple of rounds. He's doing. He's just going to grit his way away here to victory.
He's gritting his teeth here, all right. But he got caught coming in. Jamili knows that this is a pretty important stage here. Cantwell getting real success.
Cantwell's digging some good punches in here. And a good round for Cantwell. And with the knockdown, although we don't agree with it, we have to score it. The referee's the man he decides.
Mas lalong umiinit ang palitan ng kombinasyon dito sa round 8 mga tol, na parehong gustong ma-impress ang mga hurado.
Obviously, could be bad news.
So it's getting nearer and nearer, 10-8
In fact, he goes into a lead on...
Picking Campbell off. Campbell struggling in the corner, and the crowd in the corner willing him to get out of it, but he's taking some leather now. Suddenly,
That is when he ends up with this aggressive, sloppy stuff, and he's running into trouble.
and the punches that are landing for Jamelia making the cut that much worse. I can't believe.
Tinigil ng referee ang laban mga tol upang patingnan ng doktor ang sugat ni Cantwell.
Once more.
Mula dito nagdesisyon na ang ring doktor na itigil na ang laban upang hindi na lalaki pa ang pinsala ng kanilang champion. Dahil nagmula sa legal na suntok ang natamong sugat ng Briton, lumalabas na panalo si Hamili sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout sa round 8 at naging WBO World Minimum Weight World Champion.
Winner and new WBO Strawweight Champion, Eric Chimeli.
Salamat sa iyong suporta hanggang sa sunod nating uploads.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan, ibakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.